Mama messed up. She tried to film us opening this, and then she didn't realize what start and stop looked like, so she filmed all the parts we didn't want her to film and vice versa.
And I'm better in front of the camera than behind the camera.
In other words, she's saying
She's the star. So Abby and I are going to sit here and open up this Village Peak, and we're going to hope that Mom gets the start and stop button right this time.
And even though we are not doing princesses,
Well, there could be princesses in here.
all princesses, I'm doing my crown.
Yes. All right, Mama.
Wait, you still have to see them though.
Oh.
This is what was missed.
This is everything that was missed because no, you did not. There were 8. You forgot Aurora.
Okay.
This is everybody.
We got Ariel, Tiana, Jasmine, Belle, Cinderella, Mulan, Snow White, and wait, just
Aurora.
I thought I said Aurora back there. Aurora, yes.
And Mom missed every single one of them.
Oops.
Tally ho.
Oh!
I was expecting these to fall out.
Whoa! Oh my God, we can get Hercules. Ho, 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 ho. Look at all the Doorables. Okay, Ab, we gotta figure out which one we want to get.
Yeet.
Yeet. Yeet.
Anyhow,
These are collections 6, 7, and 8. And I think I saw there might be a Huncules in here. If there is, I want... Oh my God. Hades, Megara, Herc, Pegasus. I want all of them.
so side story, Rachel was Hercules for Halloween. My crown is coming off. Was Hercules for Halloween when she was 4 years old, which consisted of Hercules pajamas. And she cannot contain herself, so I guess we're opening already.
Yeah, because we have a lot of these to do.
Okay.
Yeet. Yeet. Ow! You hit me.
They're crazy. They're breaking my house.
Now she's breaking your child. That's worse.
Yeah, she'll bounce back.
All right, so we are pretty sure that these are separated by collection. So the light blue is going to be the top one, the purple is the middle,
Even though this is magenta.
and the yellow is the bottom. Okay, and there are exits. Look for the exit signs.
Okay, so start with the blue.
Front and the sides. Yes,
She wants to work
So this is from
She
the
wants
six-
to work for an
series
airline
6.
someday.
Jeweled Princess. And this feels like it could be... This one has a big head, but they all do. This is like weirdly pointed. Oh, I think this is Queen of Hearts.
I think this is somebody.
Okay.
Who is it?
Queen of Hearts.
Tiana! Okay. Done. On to the next one. I think this is... Oh, wait. I have ears. Who has pointy ears?
Top row.
Oh, wait. I think this is Dopey. Oh my gosh, if it's Dopey.
I think this one is
This
a
feels
very...
like Dopey.
This is a very textured face, which is what's throwing me off. This one is... Give me 5 more seconds.
20 minutes later.
I cannot tell who this is, so I am just gonna randomly guess.
Dopey.
Tuk Tuk.
Boom. Tuk Tuk. He's in Tuk Tuk. Tuk Tuk. Oh, I was right! We both were right. Yay. Okay, put him with the rest.
You gotta guess quick. Guess
Our
quicker.
last one's of Series 6.
I'm going to guess.
Somebody.
This is a dwarf, I think.
Okay, that's a good guess.
This one has hair.
I'm going with Sleepy.
Okay.
I'm going with some sort of princess. Oh, I got Ariel. I got another dwarf. It's Bashful. And he's an ultra rare. Ooh. And Dopey was a rare. Ariel, that Ariel is a common.
Yes.
And then...
Tuk Tuk was a rare. I forgot to point that out
Good
before.
job. Good job. And I think our first 2 were commons as well. Cause, oh, no, my
Queen of Hearts
my
was a
Tiana
rare.
was a special edition.
Ooh.
Queen of Hearts is rare too.
Okay.
Next one. I am going with anger.
I'm I'm going with, this is the color reveal edition, by the way, for Series 7. I'm going to go with Maurice.
Okay.
Crazy old Maurice.
Oh, it's Elsa!
Elsa.
I got Coral.
Oh, I like Coral.
Elsa
I
is
like
a
Elsa
common.
too.
What is Coral?
Common.
All right. Olaf. Fear. Not Olaf.
Fear. Aww.
This is Ryan. He's an ultra rare.
I got a common because I'm common.
Yay. Okay. Yeet. Yeet. How many
Pause.
more? Okay. Syndrome. Ka. Let's go. Is that right? No, it's Jack Jack. And Jack Jack is a common.
I got Ka, and Ka is a common.
All right.
And we have a noisy dog who may need to go out.
Marshmallow. Mickey. No. I've got Belle.
Oh.
And she's a common.
They're both wrong.
Wait.
What is that one?
I'm so confused.
That one's not even on there.
It's like
Wait,
all-
is it this one?
Yeah, but
Is that
it's
the
all
special edition?
But it's like covered in blue.
Wait, hold on. Let's try this. It's color reveal.
Oh, is it?
How does this work?
Do you have to like put it
We
in
don't
water
know.
or heat?
Please hold while we figure this out.
So she has to put it in cold water for it the color to change. Go
I'm
ahead.
guessing it's
Black and white. I
yeah.
think it's black and white. I don't know how this is gonna work,
We'll
but
come back.
we'll come back. Please hold. Look at it popping off. That's so cool.
It's fuzz. It's like fizzy. Turn it to the
Yeah.
side. Turn it to the side so you can show it with gravity. Here, I lift it up.
Don't put your finger in front of the camera, Mom.
It's fizzy.
All right, Snowgees.
Bagheera.
I was right. That one was easy because there were two little nubbins in there. Look at how cute they are.
Oh no, I got Baloo.
Oh, and Baloo is a rare, as are the Snowgees. On to Series 8, the Scented Editions. I think this is Vidya. Who do you think
I
it
think
is?
this is my name twin, Abby.
Okay, let's see. Oh, it's Tank! And Tinkerbell is
It
a
is
common.
Abby, my name twin, except I'm nicer than this Abby.
Yeah, good
Yay!
job, Abby.
Woo.
Okay, on to the next one. Ah! This is the red or black card.
Upside down Alice.
Oh, look, I got Tweedle. Is this Tweedledee or Tweedledum?
I got Rancis Fluggerbutter.
This is Tweedledee, and he's a rare.
This is a common.
This is Ralph.
Candlehead.
No! Oh!
No!
I got Fred. He's a rare.
I got Hades.
Oh my God, you got Hades? Oh my God, he's a common, but that's amazing. I love him.
Girl, you're weird.
He's the sassy.
Red card.
And I have no bloody idea. Let's go. Oh my God!
And it was red card.
Honey, it's Hercules.
Oh boy!
She's a happy girl. What's
I'm so happy.
Oh, this is an ultra rare.
which one's that,
That's
Abby?
the red card.
Red card.
All
Okay,
right.
cool. So here they all are. Oops, this one needs to be turned around. There it is, fizzing in the water. Ab's gonna reach in, and what's
So we're guessing
inside?
color, black and white.
Black and white.
I'm going black and white too.
I think it is too.
It is the black and white Mickey.
Yay!